This is a little switchable magnet that I made this weekend. Just wanted to show quickly. It's a little bit different. There's a guy on YouTube that's made a bunch of these. I can put a link down below. But the ones that he made, the top and the bottom, the entire section rotates, and the bars he uses on the outside are, I think they're in two pieces. So for these, I use this 3/8 cold rolled, and they go all the way through. It's 5.9 millimeters, and then this middle piece is a piece of, I think it's 3/4 all thread that's been turned down to 17.5 millimeters, and my version, just this inner ring turns the inner magnets. So it's pretty cool, actually. So if you look at the field when it's in the off position, it looks like this. And then if I rotate it, the on field looks like that. So here's a 5 pound, a little bit less than 5 pound, because obviously I've turned this into a lapping plate, but no problems holding this. And then if you turn it, no stick. And then I have this giant piece of steel here for comparison. You can see to the 5 pound weight. I think this weighs about twice as much. It's about 10 pounds. And if I turn this on and I get it in the right position, but if I shake it, it comes off. So it's got a decent amount of lifting force. I'll post the files up on Thingiverse. The tolerances in here, I probably could have created a little bit more tolerance for the inner magnets. The magnets are 10 millimeter by 5 millimeter cylindrical magnets, and there's 6 on the top and on the bottom that have been pushed in before these square pieces. There's 6 on the bottom. So I think they're probably about half of the strength of the ones that I saw on the other channel. But it works pretty well. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drill and tap this for an 8 millimeter hole, and then I can use this as a indicator stand, or pretty much for whatever I want. So there it is. It was a really easy project to make. I have a metal cutting bandsaw, so cutting the pieces really wasn't that difficult. So hopefully you can make one and you'll get your own magnetic switchable magnetic switchable do whatever you want with it device. Thanks for watching.